Washington took command at Cambridge, but his army was untrained, undisciplined, and the revolution's fate hung on what he'd do next. Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn the exciting true history in the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. In July 1775, George Washington arrived in Cambridge to take command of America's First Army, camped outside British-held Boston. What stood before him was not an army, but a collection of militias. Different colonies, different rules, different officers, almost no unity. Men slept in tents, barns, and open fields. Disease spread quickly, food was inconsistent, pay was late, or non-existent. Weapons were mismatched, ammunition was scarce. Washington soon learned the army barely had enough gunpowder to fight a single battle. Washington imposed discipline, standardizing ranks, enforcing order, and demanding obedience. He knew liberty required structure to survive. Daily drills began, formations, commands, marching. Washington transformed farmers into soldiers, one slow, grinding day at a time. Despite weakness, Washington held the siege. His goal wasn't attack, but survival, keeping pressure on the British while buying time. Cambridge was where the Continental Army stopped being a rebellion, and began becoming a fighting force capable of winning independence.